So the theory behind the inverted minors is basically we're flipping standard bidding, okay? And we think of the adage that we use for our 2/1 classes where we say, okay, the more you have, the slower you go. Same way with inverted minors. The more you have as responder, the slower you go in the auction. Okay, so inverted minors is definitely responder's toy, not advancer's toy, not intervener's toy, not opener's toy. It's responder's toy. And we're going to swap, we're going to invert, that's where it gets its name, the 2 and 3 level responses to our partner's minor suit opening bids. Okay, so just as the screen says here, in standard bidding, 1 club, 2 clubs shows just a single raise, simple raise. I've got 5 clubs partner, I've got 6 to 10 total points. Total points being high card points plus long suit points. Remember, when we're raising our partner's minor, we don't count for short suit points. So total points in this case is long suit points added to our high card points. And when we play inverted minors, we swap that to where 1 club, 2 clubs is now going to be our strong hand. And it's actually going to be a limit raise or better. Notice this plus sign there. In standard bidding, in our diamond example down here on the left, 1 diamond, 3 diamonds, the double raise shows the limit raise, shows the 11 to 12 total points, again, counting high card points and long suit points, but it's limited. It's limited to 11 to 12 points. When we invert those 2 responses, our 1 club, 2 club bid not only becomes 11 to 12 total points, but 11 and more total points. So when we have a hand as responder, partner opens a minor, we have support for that minor, at least a 5 card suit, and we're thinking slam. That's when we use the inverted minor, because it's 11 or more total points now instead of just 11 to 12, right? So we're expanding the range there with our inverted minors. And then the conventional bid of 1 diamond, 3 diamonds is now going to be our weak bid. Okay, 6 to 10 total points, again, high card points and long suit points with 5+ diamonds. Now, I always get the question, well, what if we play 1 diamond promises 4? I still want you to have a 5 card diamond suit to raise your partner's minor. Now, when we get into competition, there are going to be exceptions to that, but the general rule is going to be when you make an inverted minor raise, you have at least a 5 card suit, right? Because otherwise, we just want to be playing in no trump. We don't want to emphasize that minor until we know we've got at least 8, 9, 10 diamonds. Okay. So 1 diamond, 3 diamonds in the inverted mode is going to be the 6 to 10 total points. And again, that's total points. So you might have 5 high card points, right? 5 high card points plus 1 long suit point for the 5th diamond. So it's a weak hand. Think of it as a weak hand. It's not showing extra values. All right, so that's the big idea.